I think dating in your 20s is like very kaleshi also, because people really want to live their 20s. And if you are someone who wants to be in a relationship in your 20s and the other person is wanting to have fun or cheat or something like that, then I feel like those girlfriends of mine in particular get very jaded. Like, मेरा तो खैर ये काफ़ी sorted scene था that when I was in my fun phase, I would break up with a guy in 2-3 weeks, ठीक है. और if you were, मतलब यार, everyone has their phases. एक तुम I'm having this conversation with you, I feel a little distinct. Okay, so some people when they're trying things out ना, like Bumble और Hinge वगैरह पे ना, you tell people कि हाँ, I am talking to you and I'm talking to a few others, okay, and this is like a normally accepted thing. So basically when you're on these dating sites na, especially sorry about my language, but Tinder तो the full
जनरल बख्शी वाला मीम लगा देना, ये कोई
रंडी खा रहा है।
सो अब मैं क्या करती थी कि मैं ना बम्बल ना लैपटॉप पे चला दिया, एंड मैं जितने भी लोग, एंड उस समय तो कोविड चल रहा था ब्रो, सो आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू, आई वॉन्ट टू से 50-60 गाइज एट द सेम, आई एम नॉट इवन एग्जैजरेटिंग राइट नाउ बिकॉज आई वॉज, एंड मैं सबको सेम क्वेश्चन बेच रही थी, बिकॉज अगेन परस्पेक्टिव आ जाता है कैसे रिप्लाई तुम्हें चाहिए एक पार्टनर से. तो मैंने सेम क्वेश्चन, काफ़ी अच्छा क्वेश्चन मैंने बनाया था, मैंने सारे लोगों को भेजा, डिपेंडिंग ऑन दर आंसर, आई एम लाइक रिप्लाइंग और नॉट रिप्लाइंग.
It's like entrance exam.
Exactly. Yeah. Question 1.
But
10
the
marks.
entrance is
Facts.
yeah. No, I have one of my very close friends. I remember her not dating, but this was like hooking up, and in the hooking up wala this thing, you don't really talk about them so much because you would like reserve your judgment. So this person that she hooked up with, he never mentioned anything or never alluded to it, but apparently uska rishta chal raha tha. And he was in courtship with a girl that he was going to marry simultaneously while hooking up with my friend. And apparently, one of the days, one of the last, I won't even say last, but one of the last days that they hooked up was the morning that he was getting married. Okay? And she got to know this not from him, but from an Instagram post that somebody else had tagged of his in a दूल्हे वाला शेरवानी.
कितना पारिवारिक माहौल है ना.
My mother was or is or has been a very strong personality, right? So she would be like, no, fuck you. So with guys, especially when I was in my teens and stuff, when you're like trying stuff out, I तो was like, हाँ ठीक है, मतलब in my head I was like, नहीं, शादी से पहले virginity too is important. That was in my head very initially. That shipped say long back, but in my head I was like, यार नहीं नहीं, but किस कुछ तो कर सकते हैं, because that is kind of like cool, because movie stars also do it and they're married, and I don't think so it's that objectionable. It's not that
That
much
ship
of an
has
issue
found America.
by now. Yeah, true, fine. Yeah, वो पैदल चल के पहुंच गई.
Yeah, Columbus is on that ship. Discovered new continents.
So anyway, अब I was in a very good position where I was like, हाँ ठीक, I would tell the guy, okay, we will do this, we will do that. I would directly dictate, and then it would be done. Now, through years of trials and experiences and tribulations, I was able to realize, like this is the stuff I like, this is the stuff I don't like. Then eventually, when I even lost my virginity, that was more so when I realized, okay, this is all the stuff I like and did not like, because थोड़ा सा comparative analysis मिल जाता है. Do you feel like it's better in your 30s and in your 20s?
No, I feel like compared to 20s, I think now it's just like that kind of like, oh my god, yes. Because like 20s are also like new, you know, you're also like figuring shit out, how to do it. Of course, because I was in a situation where I was very, very fond of the guy, like really fond of the guy. So it was kind of, I feel better
हाँ.
because maybe because I mean, I used to feel awesome when it is after happening. Oh my god, it's like blushing. But I feel like now I feel like it's gradually getting better only. I mean, at least 30s, because now I have like, I feel I have more agency.
Yeah.
I can just ask कि देखो जो अभी हो रहा था
Again,
सही है,
yeah.
do that again, do it again,
Yeah.
again. Also because we live together,
Yeah.
so there's a lot of like potential to explore.
Yeah,
Like
fair.
you know, you can do different things
Yeah.
without, you can just like, there's kitchen counter, TV, cabinet, everything.
अब मैं सैनिटाइजर लूंगी इसके घर में घुसने से पहले, हर सर्विस
Don't
से पहुंच
ever
हमार
come
कर
to my house with a blue light ever. So